Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find roots of a equation using MATLAB. Right? So this is the equation I'm interested here. So let's see, yeah, x to the 5 quotient is 1, right? So plus x to the fourth quotient is here 0, right? X to the fourth and here is x square also, right? It is also 0, x to the square. Here it is square. Okay, so this is the equation I'm going to find the roots, right? So let's save the coefficients here. I'm going to use a equals coefficient of x to the 5 is 1, right? X to the fourth is 0, minus 3, 0, 5, 1, right? So these are the coefficients, right? So 1, 0, minus 3, here it is 0, right? 0, 1, 0, minus 3, 0, 5, 1, right? Okay. So using method roots A, I can find the roots of the this equation. So let's try in the program. Okay, so here you can see the roots, right? Since it is x to the 5 power, it is there are 5 roots, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is the way. So I hope you guys understood what I did in this video. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.